In this example, we will illustrate how to do long division. We are going to divide the polynomial 4x to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 1 by the polynomial x plus 2. So we set up our long division. We have x plus 2, that's our divisor. And our dividend is 4x to the fourth. Because we're missing an x cubed term, we're going to add in plus 0x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 1. So now we ask ourselves, what do we need to multiply x by to get 4x to the fourth? So then we're going to get 4x cubed. 4x to the fourth times x gives us 4x to the fourth, and 4x cubed times 2 gives us 8x cubed. Now we go ahead and subtract those two. So when we're subtracting, we need to distribute that minus sign to both parts. Okay, so when we add 4x to the fourth plus negative 4x to the fourth, we get 0. 0x cubed minus 8x cubed gives us negative 8x cubed. And then we bring down the negative 5x squared. Now, what times x gives us negative 8x cubed? That means we should have negative 8x squared. So then this gives us negative 8x cubed minus 16x squared. Now we're going to go ahead and subtract that. Distribute that minus sign to both parts. So negative 8x cubed plus a positive 8x cubed is 0. Negative 5x squared plus a positive 16x squared is 11x squared. And now we bring down our 3x, so plus 3x. And what times x gives us 11x squared? So then we have negative or positive 11x. 11x times x gives us 11x squared. And 11x times 2 gives us 22x. We go ahead and subtract this. So distribute that minus sign to both parts. 11x squared minus 11x squared is 0. And 3x minus 22x is negative 19x. That negative 19x. Now we are going to bring down our 1. So we have plus 1. And negative 19 times x gives us negative 19x. So we have minus 19. So this gives us negative 19x minus 38. Go ahead and do our subtraction. Distribute it to both parts. And we'll have 0 plus 39. So our quotient q of x is the polynomial 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 11x minus 19. And our remainder, r of x, is just 39. Okay? And what this means is that we have our polynomial 4x to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to our quotient 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 11x minus 19 times the divisor, the x plus 2, plus our remainder, which was 39. And you always put the remainder over the divisor. That's the x plus 2. So again, this is our quotient. This was our divisor. And this portion is the remainder. Or that portion is the remainder. So this completes our example of long division. We will do this exact same example using synthetic division. So now, using synthetic division, we will set up, since we are dividing 4x to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So this is the same form as x minus negative 2, remember? So then our k is negative 2. So for synthetic division, we have our negative 2. We put the coefficients of our polynomial. So our coefficients are going to be 4, 0, because we don't have an x cubed term, negative 5, 3, and 1. So the rule is that vertically you add and diagonally you multiply. So we bring down the 4 and we just have 4. 4 times negative 2 gives us negative 8. So we have negative 8. Negative 8 plus 0 gives us negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 2 gives us 16. 16 plus negative 5 gives us 11. 11 times negative 2 is negative 22. Negative 22 plus 3 is negative 19. And negative 19 times negative 2 is 38. And 38 plus 1 is 39. So this is our remainder. And this portion here, we will convert to get our quotient. So this gives us the polynomial 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 11x minus 19. And that completes our example using both long division and synthetic division.